So you want to sell your house, but where do you start? Hi, I'm Steve Prescott, the broker at REMAX Capital Properties. Around here, we know the best home sales start with finding the right agent to help you get from for sale to sold. We believe there are 3 things a seller should consider when choosing an agent. Number 1, an agent with a strong reputation and personality that reflects trust, honesty, and knowledge to make the seller feel comfortable. Number 2, an innovative brokerage with a strong brand presence that uses the best marketing that will expose your home everywhere to receive an offer quickly and for the most money. And number 3, an agent that communicates well to help guide you on preparing your home for the market, explaining the selling process, and staying in touch with you. Your agent will conduct a market analysis to determine a price that will make you the most money and promote a quick sale. They will use recent comparable sales, taking into consideration the age and condition of your home, as well as the amenities it has to offer. Once you decide on the price and a date to get your home on the market, your agent will walk you through a listing agreement. This will lay out all the initial details of the sale. You'll hammer out marketing and showing instructions, including how much notice you'll need for showings and what to do with your pets. To prepare your home for going live, you'll want to make sure you declutter, remove personal items like family photos, and storing items of value and confidential nature. When buyers walk through your home, it will be clean and well lit. Make sure to close toilet seats, make beds, hide the laundry, and open the curtains. Congratulations, the house showed great and a buyer has decided to make an offer. Your agent will sit down with you and go over the specifics. Make sure to take some time to read over it yourself. At this point, you'll respond with either an acceptance, rejection, or counteroffer, repeating this process until you come to an agreement with a buyer and officially go under contract. Now that you're under contract, the buyer will conduct inspections and meet expectations of their loan. Your agent will communicate with you to set up times for contractors to check out the house. And when the repair request comes in, they will discuss it with you and help negotiate until you come to an agreement. Know that the buyer's lender may require additional repairs after the appraisal as a condition of their loan. At last, it's closing day. At this point, you should be all packed up and ready to hand over the keys once you finish signing the paperwork. You'll join your agent at the title company and hopefully trade a few signatures for a check. Here at REMAX Capital Properties, it is important to us that our clients feel comfortable and informed throughout the transaction. We pride ourselves on having the shortest days on market for any brokerage in town, being innovative with marketing ideas to stay relevant, and the service we provide our clients. If you are considering selling your home, please reach out to one of our personable, professional agents and request a complimentary market analysis today. And for more resources, check out our YouTube channel.